I am learning how to graft, how to grow different varieties of fruit on one tree. If you want to know how I grow these apples on one branch, these apples on the second branch, these apples on the third branch, if you want to know how I do it, keep watching. This is another small homegrown pink lady apple, about 17-18 months old, and I will be grafting using the method chip budding 3 different varieties, which is Lord Lambourne, Elstar and Braeburn. It is a late season grafting. Give a cut at the trunk of the small tree, giving at about 40-45 degree. Take the blade out, taking about another half an inch at the top. Just take another chip out. Now take the scion, give about 40-45 degrees angle, cut just below a bud. That is the bud. So just below it I'll give a 45 degree cut. Then almost the length of the cut, take the chip, so that is the chip, and if you fit the chip in, take the green tape and wrap it around, making sure the bud doesn't move, and the contact between both cambions stays, so that will complete the one variety. So I have done the Elstar. Now it is Braeburn. So just rotate its side, give a cut at about 45 degree downward, take the knife out, and just about half an inch above take a chip. That is the chip taken out. Just below the bud give a 45 degree cut, and just above the bud take the knife under the bud, and the bud is taken out. It might be slightly longer, but never mind, we can easily cut the top of it, fit it in its place, and just cut the top. And that fits nicely, leaving a bit of church window at the top. Take the green tape, go around it, That is completed the second process of budding. And now another variety which is Lord Lambourne, and that will go at the top. So just rotate the direction and the same process, about 45-degree cut. Take the knife out, give another 3/4 long cut and take that chip out. That's the tip taken out. So now take the Scion, Lord Lambourne. That's a nice bud. So just below it, give a cut at 45-degree and slide the knife under the bud and the chip comes out. Fit it in the cut, which the bud is a bit longer, so it can be adjusted to required length, and that fits nicely. Now take the grafting tape, make sure that it stays in its place while you are going around it. All three buds have been grafted. That process is called chip budding. Reduce the size of it a little bit. Please make sure all the cuts are sealed. So that will complete the graft with all three varieties. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and let others know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Thank you.